Welcome to my channel.
How to set up TP-Link router. First of all, make sure you have already connected the cables of your modem to WAN port of TP-Link router. Power on your router and then connect to its Wi-Fi network using the default login ID and password printed in the instructional letter that comes along with router box. Now log into router management page via 192.168.0.168.1.1. Enter admin/admin as password. Once logged in, go to Quick Setup. Select time zone, connection type, PPPoE, enter PP username and password provided by your ISP. Enter your preferred SSID, Wi-Fi name, and password. Now save the settings and you shall be connected to internet. In case the internet status shows not connected, then you will need to configure your MAC address. To configure it, go to Advanced Settings. Network Internet MAC Clone. Select Use Current Computer MAC Address and save it.
Thanks for watching.